What's up, everyone? This is Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So I'm the guy who teaches people how to bring their beef jerky to market. And today we're actually just going to do a quick recipe for an orange Thai chili beef jerky, guys. This is absolutely a fantastic recipe, orange Thai chili. It's a little bit spicy. We're going to use a bottom round beef today, okay, guys? So I use top round a lot. I've got some bottom round that I want to use, and also going to be in the next video or two. I'm going to be using some eye round too to show you guys how to cut that up as well. Okay, so let's get into it, my friends. This is the ingredients we got here. You know we use our Kikkoman soy sauce all the time. Okay, we use some brown sugar. We're going to use some sweet Thai chili. We're going to use some orange extract, okay, and then we're going to use some Paul. This stuff is great. It's spicy. I gotta get some more because we use it so much around the house too. Come to think of it, look at the size of this jug. And then we got some hickory smoke we're gonna throw in there, and a little bit of fish sauce too. Okay, to keep that Asian influence going. Okay, my friends. So listen, we got our 2 pounds of bottom round beef here. Let's get started with that. Let's get the kids in the pool, my friends. Okay. So let's get rolling here. You know we use a half a cup of soy sauce to give us about a 3-month shelf life, and that is very dependent on a 48-hour marinade, okay? So let that soy sauce get in there and cure it up, okay? So a half a cup of soy sauce. Let's get that in there. All right. 1/2 a cup of soy. Then we are going to use 2 tablespoons of orange extract, okay? Now, orange extract is something very simple. You can find this in any local grocery store. It's one of those like lemon extract, almond extract, vanilla extract that you can find in the stores, okay? So now we're going to add some of our sweet Thai chili to this. This is something I actually also use in my sweet and spicy beef jerky, okay? But we're going to use this in the orange Thai chili today, and we're going to use 3/4 of a cup of this sweet Thai chili sauce, and you gotta shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, 3/4 of a cup. It's gonna give it a nice sweetness. All right, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Stick with me. Let me just clean this out a little bit. Rah, 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 shish kumbah. All right, we got halfway through, guys. So stick with me. Let's go. We got some liquid smoke we're going to add to this. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of liquid smoke to this recipe. 1, 2, okay, and 4. All right, all right. 4 tablespoons of liquid smoke. Now we're going to use a half a cup of brown sugar. Alright, and I want to dry this off real good because I don't want to go sticking this in my sugar unless it's dried off real good. Alright, so it's a half a cup, 1/2 a cup of brown sugar. Nice and easy. And now, so my sweet Thai chili that I use really doesn't kick this recipe up to where I want to get it, okay? I want this orange flavor to come out, but I also want that sweetness of the Thai chili and brown sugar, but I want a little kick at the end, like a sweet and spicy, but that nice orange flavor in the jerky. So this sambal is perfect. It's like a crushed red pepper, and it's absolutely fantastic. Again, we use it in cooking at home, and we're going to use 1/3 of a cup of this sambal just to kick it up a few notches, right? All right. There we are, my friends. So we got one more ingredient, guys. We're going to use just a couple of tablespoons of this fish sauce. Now you can find fish sauce anywhere on the ethnic aisle in your local market or a nice Asian market in your local neighborhood. But this one is called Viet Hung. It's a fish sauce. I'm just going to use 2 tablespoons of this just to keep with the Asian influence. There's 1. And there's 2. Okay, my friends, that is it. Orange Thai chili beef jerky here, guys. All the kids are in the pool. Let me mix this up. I honestly wish you could smell this. It absolutely smells fantastic. We're going to let this sit. If you want to take a quick look, this is nice colors in there. I love the colors of beef jerky before I mix it up. But this absolutely smells delicious. Now it has a nice sweet flavor with an orange, it's going to have a little orange background kick. And I love that. I especially love that in my orange habanero recipe that I have, okay? So this is going to be mixed up here, okay? I'm going to mix this up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this marinate for 48 hours. But what I'm going to do is go back in about 24 hours and just mix this up again. I want to make sure I cover all of that beef and I get it, the marinade inside that beef. Nice, okay? All right. Orange Thai chili beef jerky, my friends, that you made yourself from scratch with the Fat Yankee guys. This is a whole muscle beef jerky. Absolutely delicious stuff. You gotta try this one, guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, my friends. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.